Hey, hello guys. I'm working on a PowerA Xbox One controller. The controller works. The only issue is it needs a thumbstick. The thumbstick needs to be replaced, but the controller itself works. So I'm going to be replacing these thumbsticks with one of those or one of these, whatever ones are compatible and fits. These both came from an aftermarket Xbox One controller, but I already took all the screws out and did everything I had to. So let's get this show on the road. I've never worked on this one before, so there's always something new for everybody. Oh, there we go. Okay, condition looks pretty good in there. That's pretty cool. Uh, Everything in here looks pretty good too. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that actually looks pretty good in here. Like, hmm. Well, as you guys can see, this board needs to be cleaned. Like, this is under my scope, but if you take a look at it this way, you guys really can't see it that well. Like, you can see where all the yellowing is, but yeah. So I'm gonna clean up this PCB board the best I can with IPA. But the controller does work. The port looks okay. That's good. Let's go where all that yellowing is. Yeah, look at this. That looks like flux, honestly. Huh. That's what that looks like to me. It looks like flux. That is dirty. Well, let's get this. Let's get the cleaning and swapping out the those pads. Let's see. What do you? Okay, one, two is holding two Phillips in. So let's take these out and take this, put that there onto that magnet so I don't lose those. And hopefully this will, yep, board lifts right up. Oh, they almost look like they're Hall effects analogs. So, okay, it looks like the blue ones might fit after all, because that is small. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Like, ew, that is that is dirty. But yeah, you see the size comparison. Like, look at that one. That is dirty, but look at that. And then this, I'm definitely cleaning, but that's going ill. That is nasty and disgusting. But you see the size comparison. This is the one that I took out of this controller and just now. That's a lot better looking. But you see the size comparison of the analog. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. So these blue ones are gonna have to go in here. So these can come right out. But I will clean this up and clean the boards up and clean those up because that is disgusting. Those are garbage. Okay, that is wiped down. This is the best I can do. There we go. Yeah, look at all that yellowing going away. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, see, all that yellowing is now gone. All that nastiness is gone. Oh, except right there. Which is... Huh. That's not coming off. Alright, I'll leave it. But I got most of it off. Yeah, I got most of it off. It looks good. It looks better now. Much, much better. But anyways, the thumbstick is so much better looking now. So, ooh, my actual vibrator coming out. Okay, so let's put these in here now. So now we have decent thumbsticks. As you see here, I got a Tomb Raider edition 360 controller and a Sony PlayStation 3 controller that I'm going to be working on next. And all right, I got the controller plugged in, and let's test out the controller. All right, so left trigger, that works. Right trigger, that works. Left bumper, analog, which is good. There might be slight, oh, maybe not. Never mind. Everything's working up, down, down, left, right. Everything works. Everything is working. So it's all working. R3, L3. Everything works. Alright. Alright, this controller is now put together and cleaned and ready to go. Labels on the controller. 30-day warranty with every controller that I work on. But that one's done. Well, I was going to work on this Xbox 360 Tomb Raider Edition controller, but I'm still waiting in the mail for replacement parts and replacement thumbsticks. As you see, when I move it, it gets stuck. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it gets stuck. Yeah, that one, ooh. Ooh, that's really bad. And this is why I said it is nasty. This is disgusting. Like, oh my god. This is inside the battery bay. Look at that. Look at that. That is disgusting. That is nasty. Oh god. Hello. We have a nice dead one in there. This is definitely going to need to be thoroughly refurbished and clean. But for the time being, all I can do is wait in the mail until I can get refurbishing parts for this controller. Alright, so let's put this in the bin with all the controllers. And all that's left now is a DualShock 3 PlayStation 3 controller. Seems to be official, doesn't look fake, doesn't look like a knockoff. Well, let's plug it in and see what the gamepad tester tells me. Well, that's unfortunate. I've checked the gamepad tester and everything, it's not detecting it, but it is showing lights. So I have no way to test if anything works because both those consoles over there do not work. So I don't know if I should take this, like, I don't know what's going on with this controller. So I can't do anything. As you guys hear, that it makes a noise, that my computer detects it, but it's not doing anything. Okay, maybe it doesn't hold a charge, or maybe it's just really dead. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, hit a comment. Hit a comment. Don't you? I mean, hit the like button and leave a comment. Leave a like. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys have a great one, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for stopping by.